Hi, I'm Mark Bierke, and welcome to Tabula, where you can find simple lessons for the home cook. What's the number one enemy of flavor? You got it right, water. Good job. And we know that this could not be more true in a salad. When the greens are still wet and then you go ahead and dress it, it dilutes the dressing, makes the dressing not as thick and clingy to the salad, and it just kind of lowers the entire experience of the salad. So we know that they've invented something called a salad spinner, so as far as the greens are concerned, we've got that covered. But what about chunkier vegetables that we cut up and leave in like bigger pieces? Once you dress the salad, those are going to start to release some of their moisture, and over time, it'll actually make the salad worse. When you first dress it, it's not going to be quite apparent, but if it sits there for any amount of time, either in the bowl or on the plates that you've served it on, it's going to start to get decreased in quality over time. Let me show you a way to make this not take place. So I want to put these diced radishes into a salad, but as soon as I dress the salad, these guys are going to start releasing their moisture because of the salt in the dressing, and then it's going to water down my salad, and I don't want that. So the way I'm going to get around it is by salting it now. I'm going to toss these with a pinch of kosher salt, and then I'm going to let them just do their thing for the next 15 minutes. I'm going to put it over this bowl so that I can see how much liquid is coming off of them, and we'll come check back in a few minutes. Okay, it's been 15 minutes, and you can see that these are much more shiny and moist, and I can continue to squeeze more liquid out of here. Underneath here, I've got about a teaspoon of liquid or so, and just from the small amount of radishes, that's a lot. This would have, significantly changed the salad, especially if I have more radishes. And then from here, I can just use a paper towel to continue to blot these dry, and they'll have so much less moisture that's ready to just spill out of them as soon as I dress the salad. So today's simple tip is to salt your chunky vegetables before putting them into your salad.